Hello. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to terminate an SC connector using the F1 splicer. First, place your back boot on your fiber, your heat shrink sleeve, then load your fiber into your HF900, leaving about 1 inch. Next, place your holder inside of your automatic thermal stripper. Clean your fiber. Place your holder inside of your cleaver. Then load your holder into your splicer. Next, load your connector. Red dot up. Strip. Clean. Then load your connector into your cleaver. Cleave. Place inside of your splicer. Now, close your wind cover. Once complete, open your wind cover. Let the tension test be performed. Then remove your connector. Gently remove. Allow your connector to hang. Bring up your heat shrink tube. Place inside your heater. Turn your heater on. Once your heater is completed, open your door, remove your connector, and place it in your cooling tray. Allow to cool for 10 seconds. Once that is complete, bring up your back shell, align your lines. Small rocking motion, rock the first one in, snap back. Place your hood, red dot up, on the connector, snap together. Your connector is complete. Thank you.